List out the applications of plant tissue culture. Several commercial establishments now routinely use micropropagation for different foliage and ornamental plants. Through tissue culture methods using bud proliferation and multiple shoot formation, ornamental plants are produced in large numbers. Virus-free germplasm are produced through apical meristem culture. Example, banana. Artificial synthetic seeds are produced through somatic embryogenesis. Plant tissue culture is an important technique for the production of secondary metabolites in large quantities. Tissue culture helps in the induction of haploidy in anther culture, that is, useful for mutation breeding, triploidy through endosperm culture for inducting parthenocarpic fruits, and polyploidy for increase in biomass or yield. Embryo culture technique is applied to overcome embryo abortion, seed dormancy, and self-sterility in seeds. In the recent years, plant tissue culture methods are employed in plants for the introduction of foreign gene into plant cells through DNA-coated microparticles and delivering these particles into a host cell by using a gene gun. Protoplasmic fusion encourages the genomes of incompatible crops to come together to form somatic hybrids. Plant tissue culture is applied in the area of plant physiological and biochemical research to study the cell cycle, metabolism in cells, nutritional, morphogenetical, and developmental studies in plants. By plant tissue culture techniques, a plant cell of potato and tomato were brought together through protoplasmic fusion, and the hybrid cell was made to develop into a pomato plant. In pomato, the stem bears the tubers and the branches produce tomatoes.